Alright, Tubes. We're over here at Engine Night. Say hey, Road King.
Hey.
Hey, Racer.
Hey.
And they're going to help me out here. I brought this Viair compressor over here. Viair. I don't know how you're supposed to say it.
Viair.
But whatever it is, that's it's a pretty good compressor. They're made in China.
Viair.
But I mean, China makes good stuff.
100% duty cycle, right, buddy?
That's right. 100% duty cycle.
Viair.
Shut up, Road King. I'm trying to make a video.
Sorry about that.
That's alright. 200 psi. I think it's like 1.34 cubic feet per minute. But in any case, I picked this up on Craigslist and it needs a rebuild. So we got a rebuild kit here. We got a new cylinder wall. It's not like a sleeve or anything. They just send you the whole thing. And then
piece of aluminum.
Are you gonna keep it in the bag while you rebuild it?
The piston.
No, but I can't let them get contaminated.
Oh.
This is high quality stuff here.
Oh, here. China.
And then you got this. You got a piston here and a connecting rod.
It's a piece of rubber,
It's
huh?
actually got a ball bearing in there.
Piece of rubber.
But yeah, it's a piece of rubber right there. We'll show you too. Yeah. But either way, enough talking here and horsing around. We're gonna start taking
Get
this
to
apart.
work.
So we'll show you what we're doing.
Burn the daylight.
Yeah. All right. We got our head bolts all loosened up here, so we're gonna take this apart. I know what to expect here, but it's still gonna be interesting.
Whoa.
Where's the piston?
Oh, man, it's hiding.
There's your problem.
Take that apart. There it is. There's a piston. Let's pull our head out.
Wow.
Wow.
Huh. Oh yeah, I see it.
I see it now.
I see it now.
Actually, it's not well. Oh yeah.
It's pretty bad.
Looks pretty bad.
Looks like the thing wore off. And look at that.
Oh man, there's your ring.
What happened there?
It's all
Oh,
worn off.
I see what happened. All right, well let's
Is that the valve? Is that a revalve?
let's get going here. We'll figure out what we gotta do next. We might have to take this whole housing off the motor here.
Oh man.
It's okay. Did you think this was gonna be easy?
Viair.
All right, we got those bolts out here. You wanna pop that off for me?
Let's see.
There you go.
Oy.
Looks pretty dirty in there.
Rubber's everywhere. It's a rubber.
Ah, yeah, that's what happened.
Came apart.
Yep. But let's see here. How's that on there?
Looks like it's
I think there's a set screw.
Set screw.
I see it.
There's
a set screw. And if I do so recall, the instructions said to heat it up. So we might have to heat that to get that off. So we might have someone else filming while we try and unscrew that.
Yeah, that might not be too
I gotta try and unscrew it without heat first, but if need be, we'll heat it up.
We're gonna try to screw it up.
It's all about control, Tubes.
We'll toast the motor.
Yeah.
Don't melt them O-rings in there.
I see smoke.
Go ahead. Where there's smoke, there's fire.
Always true.
Come on, put some ass behind it.
I don't want to break your tools.
You ain't gonna break my tools.
Okay.
There you go. Hey, look at them now. Look at them going to town now. You gotta be smarter than your tools. All right.
Borrow these.
Alright. Ready to put our new connecting rod on here. Connecting rod and piston. So that's what it's supposed to look like. And it's just a rubber seal on here. And then you got your valve there. A little hole there. And then this is what goes on top. I think you guys saw this coming apart. But I cleaned that up a little bit. And we got a new cylinder wall here. But before we put that on, we got to put some Loctite on here. We're going to put a little Loctite on the shaft. What? I already turned it down.
Oh, you gotta turn it off.
Oh man. Anyhow, gotta put some Loctite on here. A little Loctite on the set screw, and it should be good.
Mike.
Alright, stand by. I gotta tell Road King to stop talking. I'm taking a video here. Alright, we're ready to put this back on here. And the one thing you gotta keep in mind is you gotta line your set screw up with the flat part of the pulley here. I mean the flat part of the shaft. So, as long as those are lined up, which they are, you're good to go. I'm gonna get my magic hammer here. I'll tap that on. Alright, here's that housing here, and I cleaned it all up. I don't know how you guys got to see it when I was taking it off, but it was all full of rubber and stuff from where that ring exploded. So I tried to clean it out the best I can, because all those rubber particles, if they get back in there, they're just going to cause more trouble. So that's ready to go back on. And then, so that'll just go on there and we'll put some bolts in it. And then our cylinder head's going to go on top of it, kind of like that. But I'm only working with one hand here, so I can go ahead and get that done. Alright, we got this all back together here, the housing here. And they recommend that you put a couple drops of oil, and a couple, no more and no less, around the ring here. So I got some 3-in-1 here. So you put that on there, just 2 drops. And then we're going to put the cylinder wall in. And they said that you don't want to put this straight on, because what that's going to do is that's probably going to end up damaging the ring. So we're going to try and put this on at an angle here. Still believe we're at too steep of an angle.
Tubes will let you know, don't worry.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, we'll straighten it out. Oh no.
Oh man.
Okay, hand over there, everybody.
Now,
You need a plier to hold the piston up?
yeah, actually,
Connect the rod.
I probably do need a hand over here.
Oh, there we go. We knew you'd get a hand. Get a pair of pliers so you can hold that connecting rod for
Yeah, I
me.
did.
Alright, I'm going to pause you guys.
Alright, little racer got it on there for me. And if you look inside, I'm going to admit my mistakes. You see there's a little bit of rippling in the ring there. But that's just the way it is. Hopefully that'll smooth out. There's nothing really that I can do about that.
Yeah, it's too late now, buddy.
It is.
That's it.
The damage has been done. So make sure you don't do that when you're doing this.
Do what I say, not what I do.
That's right. Okay, we're just about done here. I went ahead and put the seal in there. That's the seal that comes with it. That goes right around there. And then you got this thing, this little plate here. I forgot what it's called. It's got a special name. I can't remember what it was called though.
Heat plate.
Nah, it starts with an S. I can't remember what it is.
S-plate.
But you got to line that up. That's got to go the same way as your air outlet here. So I got this thing lined up such that when this is facing this way, you can tell because there's a darker spot from where all that rubber was, that it's lined up good. So that just sits on top there. And then we put our bolts in. And we're going to tighten them up. We'll test it out. Alright. We just finished putting this thing together. We wanted to double check and make sure everything was all set up right and lined up right, and it is now. So why don't you help me test this out, Rachel?
All right.
We're ready? Yeah, you hold those wires on there, and I'll operate the switch. Let me bring our voltage up.
Should have put it together with wing nuts.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, there you go. Look at my finger.
Working?
It is, look. Feel it?
Yeah. Careful, you're drawing more amps than your machine can put out. All right, that's good.
You'll burn up the machine.
Yeah,
Smell
well,
the dust burn off the diodes already.
that's a complete rebuild there. So, thanks for watching.